Hey guys! In today's video, I'll show you how you can send a loan on SoFi, so let's get started. If you're looking to send funds or apply for a loan through SoFi, the process is pretty straightforward. First, log into your SoFi account on either the mobile app or website and navigate to the loan section. Choose the type of loan you need. For example, a personal loan or student loan refinancing. Next, fill out the application by entering your personal information, income details, and the amount you'd like to borrow. Once your application is submitted, SoFi will review your qualifications including income, credit score, and employment status. After approval, SoFi will disperse the loan funds via to your bank account, using the bank information you provided during the application process. Because the funds are deposited directly into your account often within a business day, the sending part is handled securely and efficiently. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.